Hello everyone, this is MJ and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to cook chicken a la king by MJ, of course. So all you need is chicken. Of course you need to put some pepper and salt in there and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before you fry it. You need salt, ground pepper, cornstarch, and this onion and garlic, and of course you need a little bit of oil. So let's start. Okay guys, we're gonna start frying the chicken, and you just add a little bit of oil. And I forgot to tell you guys, you need evaporated milk. It's 1.5 evaporated milk for the sauce. So here you go guys, all you need is fry this chicken, put it in there, and you wait until it's golden brown. You don't want to burn the chicken, so you just add it like that. So let's wait. So guys, and then you're gonna flip it over so you cook the other side of the chicken. So you don't want to burn the chicken, so it's gonna be taste good. So here you go guys. After that, just gonna move it to the plate. So you just leave the oil in there, and then next you're just gonna saute the garlic and onion. And then you add the onion. Then let's wait for a little bit. So the next procedure guys, we're gonna add the evaporated milk, just like that. And we're gonna add the salt and the pepper. Then stir it and cover it till it boils. So it started boiling guys, so stir it like that. And next you gonna add the cornstarch, but make sure that you dissolve it first in warm water. So that's gonna help the sauce to make it thicker. So just like that. So as you can see, it starts taking the sauce. So just keep continuing stirring it, and then your chicken a la king is done. Here you go guys, this is chicken a la king by MJ. So it looks yummy like that. It's really good. So if you want to try it, just watch my video, and Hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you.